Come back to another video of mine. It is the second video, and I'm Kaylee, and I guess you're wondering, where's Cadence? She's not here. She actually went home last night, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on my slime tour. And last night I was getting ready like a smoothie to make, you guys. And yeah, so let's go to my slime station. So guys, I put it in there, and no color actually showed up. And then before my cousin left, I asked her, what do you want me to do? And then she was like, I told her that I was gonna add some more color slime, and she was like, okay, add some pink purple slime, the one that you did like last night. And then so yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be adding this one in there. Spread it out. This is like purplish pinkish. So there we go. So that is it. I'm gonna give you guys another two. So these are both of my slimes that I have. I will be doing a how to make slime video. And then my slime bucket, like I showed you guys last night, they have a marker, some glue, some lotion, and some sparkles. And my paint is actually in there because last night I was doing a lot of things. So let's get started on this. It is so pretty, guys. So pretty, so pretty. So let's just dig in. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So my cousin, she actually gave me a request. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. This is so pretty. I'm gonna call this my mix-up cotton candy slime. Cause like it is so pretty, you guys. Like I wish you could see this in person, but on camera it doesn't really. It looks greenish on camera, but promise me it's not green. It has all these different kinds of colors. This is gonna be my cotton candy yogurt slime. If you guys want me to change it to something else, comment below. I still don't have any subscribers, guys. Please, I really want 20 subscribers today. Please, I'm begging you guys. It makes really good tapping noises. Really good tapping noises. So that is that slime. I might do another one. Yeah. So that is that slime. I really love this slime. Yep. So that was that. And then review pink purple smoothie slime. I showed you guys this last night. We're just doing a little review on it. Already for a minute, so I like getting this in it. This actually makes really good poking noises too. So that is that. And later today, I will be doing a how to make slime video. If you already know how to make slime, good job actually. But these are some for the ones who don't know how to make slime. So that's that, and so I will start labeling my slimes, like labeling them, you know. So I just can't stop playing with this, guys. You know, like this. You know when you like get really addicted to something, and you like can't stop playing with it, or wearing it, or watching it, or whatever. But this right here, you just don't know, guys. Okay, this is the best. It is like so pretty. Yes, so I will actually do another one of these, but not today or tomorrow. Probably like week, like next week, because I gave you some time to get some clothes. So guys, this was the best slime, and this is also okay slime, and oh yeah, that is that, guys. And so yeah. Bye guys, that was the end of the video. It was already 7 minutes, so I had to stop it. And I don't want you guys to think my videos are long or too short. So I'm going to start making my videos 7 minutes. And except for my vlogs. I don't know what about my vlogs, but I might vlog today. So see you guys later. Peace.